Hey guys, what's up? This is Vedant back again with another video, and in this video we're gonna complete our home lab. Let's roll the intro. So what we're gonna do in today's video is we're gonna make client computers using Windows 7 and management computer using Windows 7, and then we're gonna make 2 servers or 3 servers using Windows 2016 data center, and then we're gonna configure pfSense router according to our needs. We're gonna make 2 networks, one for the client side, one for the server side, and then we're gonna communicate between them for today's video. So let's start guys and move on to our computer. So guys, now we're on our desktop computer. So the first thing we're gonna do is open Hyper-V manager. So here we go, our Hyper-V has been opened, and then what we're gonna do is, as you can see, I've already created few of the machines, so I'll only be giving one example of machine. So in the management and client 1 and client 2 I've installed Windows 7, and in server 1 I've installed Windows Server 2016. So here we are at pfSense. Now first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some hardware. We're gonna add a network adapter. This is for our server and our desktop. This is for our server and PC switch. So we need LANs too. So last time we configured WLAN and WWAN, and now we're gonna configure LANs. So here we are. So we have 2 of the network adapters. First we're gonna do it with PCs, and we're gonna disable this for now so we can configure it, or we could do it for servers. So here we are. So PC, servers and external switch, this is WAN. Apply. Okay, so let's run management. We are going to connect it to our PCs for now. So we'll start the pfSense machine and the management machine, and then configure our network. pfSense start, management start. So guys, one thing we need to remember is, after we install the WAN ports and configure the LAN ports, we cannot access the pfSense machine from our desktop computer, or we cannot access our GUI, the web configurator, from our desktop computer. So what we have to do is, we have to have a management computer, or we could use any client computer. It's not compulsory to make a management computer, but to make our things easier and to use all the services we can use, we need a management computer. Here we can see the IP has been provided by our WAN interface. Now we're gonna configure our LAN interface. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go to interfaces. Okay, this is down, this is down. No, we don't want our VLANs to be set up. HN0 as the WAN interface, and HN1 as the LAN, and HN2 as option 1. We want to proceed. So it's writing the configuration, and the settings will be reloaded as soon as it's done. So here we have our management desktop up, which has been which we have installed Windows 7. So here we go guys. As you can see, we have configured the WAN interface, LAN interface and OPT1 interface as HN0, HN1 and HN2. So now what we're gonna do is, here we are at the web configurator. This works for now, but it may not work later. So here we are, pfSense local domain. So admin, the user from which we are accessing it. So our LAN is up, but we have got no IPs. So what we're gonna go is go to interface option 1 first, and description LAN 2 enable interface, and IPv4 configure DHCP. Go to static. We don't use IPv6 for now. Static, let's set up 10.0.0.1 and upstream gateway none, and /8. This is the subnet mask, guys. So we're using a large subnet for our servers. So we're gonna save. LAN 2 configuration has been changed, so apply changes. Okay, now we're going to LAN enabled, IP configuration type static IPv4, IP address we're gonna set it up as 172.16.0.0.0 for our clients. So this is it, and now we're gonna save it. I put mistakenly the network address, so here it is. Save, apply changes. So after we've added interfaces and set IP to those, here we can see it's all up. So what we need to do is now is go to system. We need to set up DHCP so our computers could get IP. So go to DHCP server, enable DHCP server on LAN interface. So distribute IP, yes, no problem. And then we don't need Win server for now, and the DNS server would be 8.8 for now. We're gonna change it later maybe. And we need a DNS for our local gateway is 172.16.0.1. domain name, no need of domain name. Let's leave this to default. We have to set up our what we're gonna use. So it's from this IP from 172.16.0.10 to 172.16.0. Let's set it up to a lot. So 10.10 for now, 10.225 for now, and save it. So the changes have been applied successfully, and the same thing we're going to do is for LAN 2 here. Let's refresh this. IP config, cmd IP config. So here guys, we didn't get our IP. So let's see what's the issue. So unidentified open network and sharing center. So it's not connected to the internet. Unidentified network. Let's go to ncpa.cp and check. This should be set at obtain automatically. Okay. So guys, here we are into our management computer. So since this computer is not getting IP, we have to troubleshoot it. First we have to restart. So it asks for IP again. So it should get it by DHCP, but I don't know why it is not getting. So go to pfSense. I guess it should work now. So as you can see, the site can't be reached, means that we have established a we have established the connection with another computer. So what we have to do is go to this computer. Here we can see I guess it's obtaining IP. So let's set up the IP by using static 172.16.0.10 and 172.16.0.1 8.8.8.8 and okay. So now yeah, it works. So there's a problem in DHCP, so we'll try to resolve that problem. Yes, here we can see the internet has started working. So let's try pinging. Ping 172.16.0.10. It's up. So I guess 8.8 should be also working by now. Yes, it's working. So means we have access over internet. So let's go to first 172.16.0.1. Let's install Chrome first, because I guess it does not work in this Internet Explorer. So let's go to 172.16.0.1 advanced and proceed. Admin for now, and now we're into the PC. So let's check why our DHCP is not working. Go to LAN, services, DHCP server, enable DHCP server. We don't deny unknown clients. Oh, actually we have not enabled it, so it won't work. So now let's enable it. It has been enabled. Now it should work. So actually we did everything, but we forgot to enable. I guess it's not starting the DHCP service. So the changes have been applied successfully. So now let's check if it gets the IP automatically. Properties, IPv4, use obtain from DNS. Yeah, it got. So cmd IP config. So now the DNS has been configured on our pfSense machine, and we can access it from this management computer. So what we have to do is now we're gonna configure the servers. So since now we only have one server, so I'll be teaching you how to install a server. Server 2 generation 1, 2048, 2 gigs of RAM, connection on servers, server 2 VDHX, okay, and around 60 GB for it. Next, install. So I'll also be giving links for the ISO of Windows 2016 data center. That would be a trial period for 180 days. So I'm also using the same evaluation period version. So that is for studies or for educational purposes only. So now let's connect it to the server and install the server. So here we are into the installation menu. So now we're gonna select the language, the time and the keyboard, and now install now. And now we're gonna select data center evaluation desktop experience. Don't select this one or this one. You can select either these, because these are the core servers. This servers do not have GUI, so select the desktop experience versions, and I accept the license terms. Custom install 60 gigabytes. 60 gigabytes. And now we have our Windows installing. So after the server has installed, you can perform the services at the basic setup, which is to set the password. That's all, and it will get the IP by automatically. And then what we have to do is we have to change the name to server 1, and it's done. So our home lab has basically been prepared for now. So in the next video, what we will be doing is implementing NAT and other features in pfSense and starting some server configurations. We will be also using Windows IIS in the next video. So and we are also going to be doing web hosting as well as PXE boot. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you guys. So guys, in this series, as we have completed the second episode, so in the next episode we will be learning how to install web servers on our servers, and then what we are going to do is we're going to configure pfSense according to it, implementing NAT and other firewall rules. So stay tuned for that. Go ahead and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for recent updates. Thank you guys for watching this video.